Killia from Company Partners. Welcome back to our video series on how to start a business in South Africa. Last week we covered how do you build a company brand to stand out above your competitors. Today once again with me I have our entrepreneur Zandi as well as our registered IMCSA Business Coach Brend, who joins me in studio once again to help us navigate through the process of building a website, one of the main components in developing an online presence. Let's get right into it. So Brend, how to build a business website? How do we do that?
So basically you gotta really keep it simple. You gotta sit down and plan out based on the branding, what is the message that I want to give my target market and how will I win their attention. Those are the two main components. You got to keep it really simple, straight to the point. I also would definitely highly recommend that when you use the photos of the website that you hire a professional photographer or somebody, you get somebody, a relative or a friend or family member with a good camera to take proper photos of your staff, or if it's just you, proper photos of you, and you get your pictures on the website. Because ultimately people buy from people and they want to relate with you before they buy from you. Nobody relates with these stock images because it's these perfect models and none of our lives are perfect. So get that in place, keep it really simple, win your client's attention by telling them exactly what you do within the first 5 seconds, and then break down your product or your service in a package format. Everybody wants to know how much will it cost, how long will it take, what's in it for me. Stick to those principles.
Awesome. I love it, especially the part what you said about relatability. That's super important, right? So what should a business website include?
It's basically what you got to include is, as I said, the packages. Very important. You want to take the service or the product and break it down for people that they really understand what they can expect should they continue with your business. Then what you want to include is you want to definitely have an About Us page. So the home page is the landing page, that's obvious. That's where people's going to land when they click on a link or click on an ad that goes to your website. The second page is the About Us page. People want to know who you are. They want to know that. As a matter of fact, a lot of people, when they're happy with the product or service, they go to the About Us page before they buy or fill in the application form. The third page that you want is your services or product page. Break down the packages, bite-sized chunks so people understand how much will this cost me, how long will it take, what's included for me. Right, and then also your contact page, very important. Just give them a point of reference where they can go to make contact. Each website must have an application form, contact details, and it's always a good idea to put your address with a landline number to make it really accessible for people who want to know, do you actually exist, yes or no?
Awesome. That's perfect, Brend. Thank you for sharing with us. And Zandi, I know that you have a question for Brend. Please go ahead.
Yes, I do. Can I set up my own business website, or is it better to get a professional web designer?
That's a good question. I think you can go about it two ways. Personally, I taught myself, I was never an IT person, but I taught myself how to build a website because there's all the tools available. You've got YouTube that's going to basically tell you how to do anything that you want to do. And then you've got free tools, something like WordPress. If you get a domain registration at Xnilo or one of these domains, you can get sometimes a free WordPress application that's going to help you to build a website for free. Ultimately, you can come to Company Partners because they also have a marketing department to do websites and branding on your behalf. If you really don't know what you're doing, rather get a professional, but still remember that you need to do the planning. It's not the brand developer's job to build your website. You need to come to the brand developer and tell them exactly what you want because it's your business, it's your responsibility.
Great stuff. Makes sense, right, Zandi?
Thank you, Brend. That makes sense, Killian.
So building a business website is so important as it helps to build reputability. It's also a good idea to get a professional like Company Partners to help you set this up. Thank you so much, Brend, for that insight. Join us for another session next time where we will discuss the importance of launching a marketing campaign for your business and how to do it. If you need assistance with building a business website, get in touch with company partners for a free consultation. Contact details are below this video.